Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Once you have an image open in Elements, you will need to zoom in and out to precisely edit it. This is one technique you must master to work effectively in Elements. When you open an image, the current magnification level appears in the lower left corner of the status bar. Elements opens images at one of the preset magnification levels. You can change this magnification level by typing a new number into this box and then pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. You can also use the Zoom tool in the toolbox, which looks like a magnifying glass, to change image magnification. Click the Zoom tool button to view the magnification options in the Tool Options bar. In the Tool Options bar, you can click the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons to change the default zoom behavior of the magnifier tool when you hold it over an image and click to either zoom in or zoom out. You can also quickly toggle between zooming in and zooming out by holding down the Alt key and then clicking the image to perform the opposite zoom of the one currently selected in the Tool Options bar. If you prefer, you can also click and drag the zoom slider in the Tool Options bar to manually adjust the magnification level. To resize windows when zooming using the Zoom tool, check the Resize Windows to Fit checkbox. However, windows will not intrude past the panels. Checking the Zoom All Windows checkbox will equally magnify all open windows when you magnify any open window. Clicking the 1:1 button displays the image at its actual pixel resolution on screen. Clicking the Fit Screen button changes the magnification level to fit the image in the available screen area. Clicking the Fill Screen button will fill the entire available screen with the image. Clicking the Print Size button zooms the image to a printing resolution. Another way to magnify the image is by using keyboard shortcuts. You can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then press the plus and minus keys on your keyboard to zoom in and out.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.